For the past 10 years, Prince William County Public Schools has explored ways to save energy and reduce utility bills by participating in the Energy Challenge. This year, we're thrilled to announce the rebranding of the Energy Challenge to PWCS EcoQuest. The vision for EcoQuest is that staff and students at every school will be empowered to contribute to a more sustainable PWCS and experience authentic classroom learning, support environmental literacy, and learn beyond the classroom. The goal of EcoQuest is to have participating schools ultimately apply for the Virginia Naturally Recognition Award, which is a stepping stone toward becoming a green ribbon school. While applying is not a requirement, EcoQuest participation guidelines are aligned with the Virginia Naturally application requirements and leave schools poised at the end of the school year to complete the application. Schools can join EcoQuest by filling out a registration form where they will pledge to pursue one or more projects that align with the EcoQuest guidelines. Participating schools can receive up to $2,000, $1,800 for the school and $200 for the sustainability liaison responsible for registering and guiding the school. Find out more on the Energy and Sustainability Launchpad page and register your school today.